This tutorial will show you how to reinstate the Camio default screen layout, as shown here. Within Camio, customers can easily modify the software screen, enabling the creation of your own preferred screen layout. If your screen has been customized, we recommend that you reinstate the default setting. This can be quickly achieved by following these steps. Firstly, select the View drop-down menu. Then select Load from within the menu options. A dialog box will open displaying previously saved layouts. Then select Camio default layout. And then finally select Load. This returns your screen layout to the system default setting. If you enjoyed this content, please like the video and subscribe to this channel. Also click the bell to be kept up to date with new videos.